everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys some jewelry from the company MSBLUE Jewelry. They sent me over two of their absolutely beautiful, stunning Moissanite rings, and I cannot wait to share them with you. If you haven't heard of MSBLUE Fine Jewelry, they are global experts in lab-created natural gemstones and Moissanite and diamond engagement rings. They also have innovative designs for fine jewelry, and you can definitely find all of your bling needs over on MSBLUE. If you've been following my channel for a while, you guys know I'm all about the bling. I'm all about the flashy jewelry. I just absolutely love it. So if you're on the hunt to find a beautiful Moissanite engagement ring, or you just want some beautiful fine jewelry, definitely check out MSBLUE Jewelry. I will have all of these links down below. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing portion and show you guys the two beautiful rings that I cannot wait to share with you guys. Each jewelry item comes in this beautifully blue packaged box. It has MSBLUE Fine Jewelry written all over it. Just a beautiful, nice box. This was packaged so well, so you know that you have quality care when getting your items shipped to you. This is the boxes that they come in. They're just black and white, and it says MSBLUE Jewelry on them. Here is the first ring. I went ahead and took it out of the little plastic bag that it comes in so that it doesn't get any scratches or anything like that. But here is the first ring. Absolutely stunning. This first ring right here is a beautiful 1 carat brilliant heart Moissanite engagement ring. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, I know I am not engaged, but I love a good heart style ring, and I just think it's so beautiful and sparkly. This is a halo set style ring as well. It is so beautiful. I'm going to be zooming in on both of these rings, but I absolutely love this. I'm going to go ahead and try this on for you. Absolutely beautiful, so stunning. I hope that the camera is picking up all of the sparkles and just the beautiful radiance of this Moissanite ring. I'm obsessed with this. Like, I have nothing like this in my ring collection. You guys know I'm such an avid ring wearer. I absolutely love this ring. This next ring I have to share with you guys is probably just me in a ring. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the MSBLUE 4 carat pink princess gemstone ring. It's a long name. I had to get it out for you guys. Here it is. It is a stunning, beautiful pink gemstone ring with the beautiful sparkles. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is just so beautiful. I absolutely love the design of this ring. This is, if I was looking for an engagement ring but single, this right here is the exact style ring that I would love as an engagement ring. I think it is so beautiful. So here it is on. Look at the sparkle, look at the clarity of that natural gemstone. It is so beautiful. It's literally sparkling away. I am absolutely in love with this ring, and I cannot wait to just wear it. It is so, the clarity, you guys, like, this is just absolutely beautiful. There is nothing I can say more. Like, it is so beautiful. I love both of my rings. I can't wait to wear them all the time. If you are interested or in the market for some Moissanite rings or natural gemstone rings, definitely check out MSBLUE Jewelry. I will have both of these rings linked down below in the description box, as well as a 10% off coupon code. They'll be annotated here on the screen and listed down below as well in the description box. Thank you so much to MSBLUE Jewelry for sending me these items. I am absolutely in love and so impressed with the quality, the care, the packaging. Everything about MSBLUE Jewelry is absolutely stunning. Definitely check them out for all your engagement needs or fine jewelry needs. All of that information will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye!